Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Well, my laptop actually works. I'm still using the old laptop, but one of the ports is broken. I can't use my mouse and the HD kind of like webcam at the same time. So essentially, like I'm going to be using like kind of like the crappy camera when I actually stream. That shouldn't really be a huge deal though. However, using these videos, I'm actually going to just use the better camera or the better webcam. So, however, we have actually figured out according to analytics and just people buying and selling that it was the people using like something like 100 to 1 leverage that have been having the extreme price volatility in crypto. You probably noticed that Bitcoin's been swinging between 30,000 and 40,000 very, very easily the last few days, and the $10,000 like up and down is not normal even for crypto. But it is being caused by the people who are leveraging 100 to 1 or 125 to 1. Now, I usually wouldn't mind that because it is a golden era for swing trading. Because, if you're swing trading, you buy at 30, you sell at 40, and rinse and repeat, you're making 20-25% every time. And that's excellent profits for swing trading. I'm not really sure how long they're going to continue this. And that's the dangerous part. Like, you could, like, sell at 40,000 and go up to, like, 70,000 all of a sudden. Same thing, you could buy at, like, 35,000 drops to like 25,000. So you don't really know with this high volatility, but it seems like the range right now is about 30 to $40,000. If you want to swing trade, that's probably like the range you actually want to look at. So it's because of the leverage traders, it is a golden era of swing trading. For the rest of us, it kind of sucks because the reason it dropped to 30,000 again over the weekend is because leverage players liquidated over $12 billion worth of Bitcoin in terms of like longs. Now, it doesn't take 12 billion, it doesn't take like, $100 billion to bring the market cap of Bitcoin down $100 billion. It's like in this kind of volatile environment, because there's not that much resistance and support between 30 and 40,000, it's probably something like 100 to 1. Like it only takes like $1 billion to basically bring the market cap of Bitcoin down like $100 billion. Like basically if you have like 100 billion, if you have $1 billion pure liquidation, it'll probably bring the price down like it will probably bring the market cap down 100 billion easily, and 12 billion dollars worth of liquidation can easily bring it down several hundred billion in terms of market cap. And that's why you're seeing like the massive liquidations on the short side resulting in 30 to $40,000, and then the opposite way, massive liquidations on the long side, and that's what's taking it down to 40 to 30. So there's a lot of like leverage traders making a lot of money. There's also a lot of leverage traders getting totally wrecked. People who are just buying and selling, if you're swing trading, you're probably making a lot of money. If you're just writing it out like me, you're just kind of like waiting for this period to be over. Like I said, the bad thing is like this does give regulators an excuse to kind of like really regulate crypto. It's extremely volatile, being at like 100 to 1 or like 125 to 1 as Binance actually offers. People usually don't liquidate stocks with those kind of margins. The only other market that I can see those kind of margins being used is probably in Forex. And generally, like for the major stable currencies, it doesn't fluctuate by like 25-30% per day like how crypto has been doing. So a lot of people are getting hurt, probably losing fortunes. It's their own fault. But the problem with that is that it will give regulators the excuse they actually need to regulate crypto, and I really hope it isn't too bad. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and I think I will be on tonight. Start streaming again because I've been missing it, and I'm going to use like this computer because it still actually works just fine. It's just dirty right now. It has a little bit of mildew like on top, I think, or maybe inside the computer. That's why they wouldn't fix it. And I will be using my newer computer, which is basically a replica of this one with slightly upgraded stuff, to actually stream in the time to come. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.